Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a boat. Just like this. You can put it in your finger and it can go like this. It's gonna be really interesting. Let's make it together. You just need a piece of paper, which is rectangle. First of all, you need to fold it in half. Make a little bit smaller rectangle. And fold in another half. But you need to open it. So you make a little line in the middle. You see the line? Now we're gonna make 2 triangles. 1 2. It's easy, isn't it? And from here, from the bottom here, you fold it up. Are we getting there? Yes? Nearly. Turn it over. We do the same. Fold it up. Did you know that this could be a hat? Little hat? Yeah? But we're gonna go a bit further because we're gonna make a boat. This is a bit tricky one from the hat because you need to open and fold. And you gotta make a diamond shape. Ta-da! You see the diamond? From here, you lift this bottom bit, turn it over, you lift another bottom bit, and you make a little triangle. We're nearly there. Again, open the bottom, make another diamond, a little bit smaller. What you need to do is hold up here and up there. You can drag it down. And it became a boat. Well done, everybody.